If you want to keep your chats private, here's how to lock WhatsApp with your fingerprint. And if you want to use any third-party app, you can use that. But first of all, you can try and go to settings. And here you have to search for app lock. You can search in search bar, and once it's appear, you have to open it. And once you are in app lock, you have to select WhatsApp. And now all done. Now whenever you will open that WhatsApp clone, it will always ask for your fingerprint, else you can't access that. Now if you don't have this feature on your Android phone, you can go to Play Store and download app lock. You can download app lock from Pipstack. Once you will complete download, it will ask you to set up the app and the password. And once you are done, now you can only access WhatsApp by using your fingerprint. Simple, secure, and built right into the app. So that's how you can lock WhatsApp with fingerprint. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you liked, don't forget to subscribe and do comment if you want more WhatsApp related tips like that. See you in the next one.